In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the order confirmation email on Shopify. If you've ever wanted to add a personal touch or align these notifications more closely with your brand's aesthetics, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll be fully equipped to make your order confirmation emails reflect the unique identity of your business. First, let's navigate to where this all begins. Look towards the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard, and you'll find a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. It's always a good practice to become familiar with the Settings tab, as it houses numerous features that are crucial to managing your store effectively. Once you're in the Settings menu, your next step is to select Notifications. Think of this as the control center for all your customer interactions. Altering the notifications can help you craft a communication style that feels authentic and personal. It's an important touchpoint for your customers. Whether it's for order confirmations, shipping updates, or abandoned carts, customizing these messages can really set your brand apart. Now, within the Notifications menu, there's an area called Customer Notifications. Click on that. This section lists all the communication templates that Shopify uses to interact with your customers. From order confirmations to shipping updates and even gift card notifications, everything can be managed here. Next, you want to find and select Order Confirmation. This particular notification is crucial because it reassures your customers that their transaction has been processed successfully. It's also the first major point of contact they have after making a purchase, so making a great impression is key. This email should feel both welcoming and reliable, reinforcing the positive experience of shopping at your store. Once you select Order Confirmation, you'll be treated to a preview of the email. This is the default template that Shopify uses, and it gives you a clear idea of what your customers currently see in their inbox. If you've often wondered how it looks on their end, now you'll know. To make changes, click on Edit Code. This might sound a little technical, but don't worry, here you'll be taken to a screen where you can see the underlying code of the email. It might seem intimidating at first glance, especially if you're not familiar with coding, but with some patience, there are considerable tweaks you can make even with basic knowledge. Once you're in the code editor, you can start customizing the order confirmation to suit your store's needs. You'll be working with HTML and CSS to adjust the email's design and layout. Here are a few simple things you can change to make the email uniquely yours. Change fonts. Adjust the font family to align with your branding, or create a more friendly, professional, or unique feel. Adjust colors. Use your brand colors for headers, buttons, or text links. You could match the background color of the email with your website's theme for consistency. Modify text. You can personalize the wording, add a thank you message, offer a special discount for the next purchase, or include a short note about the customer's order. Making the email feel more personal can really help with customer retention. Add a logo or banner. Customize the header section with your logo, a brand banner, or any other visual element that can make the confirmation email feel more aligned with your brand identity. Remember, subtle changes can go a long way in creating a more engaging and memorable experience for your customers. Once you've made your changes, it's a good idea to preview how the email looks before finalizing anything. Shopify allows you to send yourself a test email to see how the email will appear in the inbox. Be sure to test across different devices, mobile, tablet, desktop, to make sure everything looks good across the board. It's also important to test the functionality of your order confirmation email. For example, make sure that the order details, tracking links, and payment summaries are properly populated and showing up correctly. Shopify uses dynamic variables like MatinOrder.name or Matin shipping address by pull specific data, so be sure these elements are working as expected. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel of your email, click Save. And that's it! Your order confirmation email is now customized and ready to send to your customers. With these steps, you've learned how to customize the order confirmation email on Shopify. Take your time experimenting with different styles, and don't be afraid to get creative. Having an order confirmation that's uniquely yours can make a world of difference in customer retention and brand loyalty. A well-designed confirmation email adds that extra personal touch and reinforces the connection with your customers. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make the most of your Shopify store. Happy customizing, and I'll see you in the next video.